Hello, welcome to question number 11B, WASSCE 2025, Further Mathematics for the Ghanaian student. We are to simplify these indices. We are having 729 as a whole number raised to the power negative into bracket 1 minus 5x divided by 6 plus 243 raised to the power into bracket x minus 1 over 5. All this divided by 27 whole number raised to the power 5x on 3 minus 1 in a bracket. Alright, if you take a careful look at the whole numbers, you can see that 3 can divide all of them. This is 11 plus this 18. So 3 can divide. 3 is at the end here. So this is going to be 6, 9. So we can say that they are all going to be expressed as a base of 3. So 3 raised to the power 6 will give you your 729. Now, in this bracket is a fraction. Each of the bracket is a fraction. So let's take the fraction and see. This is going to be 1 over 1 minus 5x over 6, LCM of 6. So it goes here 6 times, goes here 1 times 5x, so 5x over this. This is what we're going to have in this bracket. So as we'll be having into bracket, I think, what will it be? That negatives to be outside. To multiply here into bracket 6 minus 5x, all divided by what? 6. You can see that. So this will now cancel this. But let's look at the second one. This is also going to be plus 3 raised to the power 5. 3 raised to the power 5 give you this. Then into bracket x over 1, 1 over 5, LCM 5, 5x. This is going to go here 1. So we have 5x minus 1 divided by 5, all divided by 3 raised to the power 3. Give you 27 into bracket 5x on 3 minus 1 over 1 LCM 3 5x, then 3 will be there. So we have 5x minus 3 all divided by 3. So a careful look at the exponent. You can see that the term outside the bracket can actually divide all of them. So this can divide this. If you check, this will multiply this, but you can still divide it directly. This will also divide. So we should be left with, if I take it, okay, let's have 3 exponent. This negative is not cancelling here, so only here. The 6 is cancelling this, remaining negative 1. So negative 1 times this give you negative 6. Negative 1 times negative, positive 5 what? X. Then plus. Here we'll cancel to give you 3 exponent 5x minus 1 divided by 3 will cancel 3. Therefore 3 exponent 5x minus what? 3. Alright, let's see if this is going to be in a bracket. If we see this as a plus, that means we can expand this as a multiplication, right? So I should be having 3 exponent 6 times, let me use dot so that we don't mistaking the x to be times. 3 exponent what? 5x plus 3 exponent 5x times 3 exponent negative 1. I think same can happen here. 3 exponent 5x times 3 exponent what? Minus 3. Alright. If we expand, you can see that there's a common factor since they are multiplying. So that common factor can be 3 exponent 5x outside. You'll be left with only 3 exponent minus 6 plus 3 exponent minus 1 divided by 3 exponent 5x times 3 exponent what? Negative 3. So here we can see that the 3 exponent 5x is going to be common to both the numerator and the denominator. So it cancels. What do? We cannot expand all this. We cannot add it from here. So we expand them into their respective fraction. This will come back to the beginning, 7 to 9. So as to be having 1 over 7 to 9 plus 1 over, this will still be 3, right? Divided by 1 over 27 if you convert them back into fraction. What do? Let me compute the numerator separately, then I compute the down also separately. Okay, I think I've cleaned the question up, which is 1 on 7 to 9 plus 1 on 3. Let me maintain that, divided by, I think 1 on what? 27. Now this, if you can see, this is a factor of this. If you factorize it, you get your 243. So I can write this as LCM of being this. Therefore 1 plus this going here, 243, divided by the same 729, all divided by 1 over what? 27. So the top become 244 divided by 729, then divided by 1 over 27, right? You maintain your 244,729 times. This go up, this come down. This will go here 27 times. If you can check from the beginning how we expanded it, you see that this will go here 3 exponent 3. This is 3 exponent 3. Give it 3 exponent 6. So 27 cancel. So I'm left with only 244 divided by what? 27. And I'm sure this would have gone there 2 times. That is 9 times. If you go in here, 2 raised to the power of what? 2. Because this is going to be making it 43. Remember 1. So I can say this is going to be equals to, it goes in this place, 9 whole number with a remainder of 1 divided by what? 27. That becomes the simplified version of all that long exponential terms that we were given. Alright, I guess you follow through to the end. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.